In this video we'll show you how to wash your bike and tell you which products we recommend using. If you ride through winter, the salt and grit on the road will destroy your bike in no time, so we recommend removing it as soon as possible. If you've got a power washer, you can wash it with snow foam. If you've only got a bucket of water or a hose pipe, then you can wash it by hand with bike wash. The first thing you want to do is rinse it to get all the loose dirt off. If power washing, don't stand too close. You can damage seals, blast out any grease, or even damage the paintwork. Instead, we recommend standing back a little bit and giving it a light misting. Once you've rinsed the bike, coat the entire bike with a salt-free motorcycle cleaner, like Motor Verde Bike Wash. Then use drivetrain cleaner to coat areas such as the wheels, swing arm and engine. Once you've done that, go and make yourself a brew or wait 5 minutes and then rinse the bike off again. Next, apply a generous coating of snow foam. If you don't have any, you can use bike wash again, ensuring you get all the bike with a nice coating. After you've waited a couple of minutes, get a hand wash mitt and wipe over all the panels that don't get as dirty, such as the tank and fairings. Then use a separate mitt for areas such as the engine, swing arm, wheels and underneath the bike. If you need to, use more drivetrain cleaner or some degreaser. Once you've done that, rinse the bike off a final time, very thoroughly and ensuring everything is off. Using a good quality microfiber cloth or an electric dryer, dry off the bike from top to bottom, ensuring you're getting all the nooks and crannies. The drier the bike is, the less chance it's got of corroding. Once your bike's clean and dry, the next step is to give it a protective coating. But that's for another video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications.